Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to make money with DHGATE for beginners. So let's get started. First, what is this DHGATE I'm talking about? DHGATE is a Chinese e-commerce platform that connects buyers with suppliers, primarily focusing on wholesale goods. It's often compared to other online marketplaces such as Alibaba or AliExpress. So this DHGate. And as you can see, there are tons of products here that you can promote. Why I say promote? It's because you can earn here in DHGate if you apply to DHGate affiliate program. So basically, you can earn commission by promoting your products, and if someone click that specific link, which I'm going to show you later, then you will get a commission to that. So as you can see, if I search for a specific product here, for example, shoes, you can see here different types of shoes or watch. And what you're going to do here is you just need to promote these products, how or where, to Facebook, to TikTok, to Pinterest, to Instagram. There are tons of social media platforms where you can promote their product. Then if people like this and they ask for a website or a link where they can buy this one, then you should include that affiliate link to your caption or to your video or to your post. And once they click it, it will take them directly to DHGate. And then if they buy it, and then you will get a commission. It's easy as that. So what you're going to do here is we're going to look for the DHGate affiliate program. So in order for you to start earning, of course, the first thing you should do is to become a DHGate affiliate program partner. Okay, you must sign up for this. So what is this DH affiliate program? DHGate affiliate program. You can see here some informations about DHGate affiliate program. You can earn from 3 to 60% commission on during the shopping. So if they click and then they buy that product, then you will get a commission, of course. So to get started, all you have to do is to join, and you need email address here and then password, or you can connect your Facebook or Google account. It would be the easiest way. For me, I want to click my Google account. So I just click and then link my Google account and wait for a couple of seconds. Then I am now ADH Gate affiliate marketer. Anyways, while waiting for their approval, you can go to TikTok. So as you can see here, I have searched DH Gate, and then I can see here tons of people posting about DH Gate products. As you can see, 362K watch view. And then when you click this one, people are really asking about the link, or where did they get it, where did they buy it, and they're asking for the link and then anything like a code, something like that. So as you can see here, no one answered. This is what you're going to do. You can create a TikTok account, and then you can promote DHgate products. So when people look or watch your video and they see that link to your profile or to your video, then they will buy it. There, you will get a commission. As easy as that. Now you can go back to see if they have approved you. So basically, they will send you a code to your email, and then you need to paste that code right here and then tap next and wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. I am now a DHgate affiliate marketer. So I can go to my dashboard. This is my dashboard. This is the interface of my dashboard. Now, as you can see, aside from promoting their products, you can also get commission or money through sharing this or asking your friend to sign up here in DHgate. Okay, so go to products. And as you can see here below products, you can see get link, right? Now there are two ways on how to save photos. First, you just have to click the photo right here and then save as. And also for the description, you can copy this, or you can print screen and then Control V to paint. Then you can use this information later. Okay, so for example, this one, you can also save this video if you want to promote this product, and then look for other product again, for example this, and then right click and then save as. Okay, so you have saved your pictures right here. Actually, what you're going to do with these pictures is that you're going to edit this and then make it as a video, or you can just, collect this and then post this to your Pinterest, to your Instagram, to your TikTok. And inside the caption or in the comment section, you can add the link from that specific product. Like what I've mentioned earlier. As you can see, this is my TikTok account. So suppose that I have tons of followers here. So I'm going to post this product. Okay. So I'm going to promote their product. But actually, if you like to make or create something or enticing, make it enticing to your viewers, then I strongly suggest that you also use editing tool like Canva. So for example, if you want to promote product like this, the other way is that you can download all the pictures. You can choose save as or you can do this way. So for TikTok, you need to create a video, right? So you need to edit these pictures. You can use CapCut and then export it or export this as video and upload to your TikTok. If you're looking for a free editing tool, then I'm going to introduce to you Canva. So you can search for a TikTok video or yes, specifically TikTok video. Then you will see this blank page right here. Go to designs or just easily upload the pictures that you have downloaded from DHGate and then edit. So let me first select a design here. Okay, go to design and then search for products. Okay, tap design first, search products, and then if you see a good design here, let's just say you want to use the first design. Okay, let me scroll first. Let me look for others. But I think the first template is good because all we gotta do here is to replace these frames with DHGate products. So let me drag it to the page and then upload the pictures from DHGate or products from DHGate. But let me edit the caption first. For example, the name of your product. Or you can simply go to the comment section. You can add description here. You can delete unnecessary element or object and then replace it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so go to comment section and then let me delete some of the description here or element here and then upload these pictures that I have downloaded from DHGate and then drag the picture to each of the frame here. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. Okay, so just drag the picture, just drag the product that you have downloaded or get from DHGate. So suppose that you're going to promote this one to your TikTok or to your YouTube or to your Pinterest, change the description right here and then you can see the result by tapping this play button. And after that, what you're going to do next is to tap share and then save this. So once you have your video ready, what you're going to do now is go to your TikTok and then post this video, add the description, and then include the link from DHGate affiliate program and then post this one. As easy as that. So if people like this product, people love it, they will watch your video and then they will click the link. And if they like to buy it, they will buy this product and then you will get that commission. And basically, that's how easy it is to make money with DHGate for beginners. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and see you again in our next video tutorials.